Hey there, I'm one of the Jackies of the Brass Jacks duo. For our Bookkeeping Foundations class, you're going to need to use a ledger for some paper and pencil work we're going to be doing to help you understand debits and credits more thoroughly. Now, I realize that some of you might not have Excel on your computer that you're going to be using, and so I'm going to show you how you can upload this ledger to Google Sheets. Of course, that means you have to have a Gmail account, but most people do. So I'm in my Gmail account right now, and this is my Drive, right? So you'll have to understand what Google Drive is. But what I'm going to do is grab this ledger. So here's my ledger, and I'm just going to slide it right over here. So now it's in Google Drive, and if I double click on it, see how it's opening it in Google Sheets. And so you can use Google Sheets for class. I'm not going to take the tour right now, but that's how you can upload it if you don't have Excel on your computer and you're going to be taking our course. Thanks so much.